Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now.
Next up, tokscale helps developers track token usage across multiple AI coding agents efficiently. Overview gives you a quick glance at what tokscale can do for you. Contents outlines the key sections available in the documentation. Features highlight the impressive capabilities of tokscale for developers. Installation walks you through setting up tokscale on your machine. Usage demonstrates how to effectively utilize tokscale in your projects. Next up, pentagi helps developers automate complex penetration testing tasks effortlessly and efficiently. Pentagi is your go-to solution for autonomous penetration testing, powered by AI. Explore the table of contents for easy navigation through the README. Get a clear overview of what pentagi can do for your security needs. Discover the standout features that make pentagi a powerful tool. Dive into the architecture to understand how pentagi operates under the hood. Next up, meetily helps developers streamline meetings with AI-powered note-taking and transcription, all locally processed.
Meetily is your privacy-first AI meeting assistant for efficient note-taking.
This section introduces the core capabilities and purpose of meetily. Discover why meetily stands out in the crowded meeting assistant space.
Explore the powerful features that make meetily a must-have tool. Learn how to install meetily on your macOS or Windows machine. Next up, AI Dev Agent automates coding tasks, helping developers ship projects faster and more efficiently. This section introduces AI Dev Agent as a fully autonomous coding assistant. Here, you'll learn about its powerful features for managing GitHub tasks. Follow these simple steps to get started with AI Dev Agent right away. Discover the intuitive interface designed for seamless interaction with the agent. Review the licensing terms to understand how you can use AI Dev Agent. Next up, RuVector empowers developers with a self-learning vector database for smarter, real-time data handling. RuVector is a unique self-learning, vector memory, and agentic operating system. Discover the innovative way the GNN enhances data processing and retrieval. Get started quickly with our easy installation and setup guide. See how RuVector stands out against traditional vector databases. Explore powerful features that boost performance and adaptability for your applications.
Next up, Maungs-agentic-toolbelt empowers developers to streamline their coding workflow with powerful multi-agent capabilities.
Maungs-agentic-toolbelt introduces a project-agnostic workflow engine for efficient software development. Installing is simple with a quick clone and an easy setup script. Always-on hooks keep your development process smooth and responsive.
The optional cockpit status line provides real-time feedback on your project's progress.
Explore various skills that enhance your coding experience from planning to review.
Next up, Galder simplifies AI integration, giving developers a persistent assistant for coding tasks.
Gald3R is an AI agent framework that enhances your project with persistent coding assistance.
This section explains what makes Gal3 unique and how it helps your AI coding assistant.
Discover the latest features and improvements in Gal3, our version 2.1.0. Follow these simple steps to quickly install Gal3 in your development environment.
See what essential components and tools are included when you install Gal3. Next up, AgentSphere helps developers orchestrate AI agents for streamlined decision-making and execution.
It supports various model providers like OpenAI and Big Model for flexible integration. Quick Start for Development shows you how to get up and running in no time. Architecture outlines the system's structure and key components for better understanding. Algorithm, Core Algorithms dives into the main decision-making processes behind AgentSphere. Administration, Operations and Management covers how to effectively manage and operate your agents.
Next up, hexstrike-ai empowers developers to automate cybersecurity tasks with AI-driven penetration testing tools.
Discover the powerful capabilities of hexstrike-ai MCP Agents version 6. Connect with us on Discord and LinkedIn for updates and community support. Explore the multi-agent architecture that enhances hexstrike-ai's performance. Learn how to install hexstrike-ai effortlessly on your system. Set up AI client integration for seamless operation with hexstrike-ai. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily repo trends.